Phuket is a beach paradise, but it doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, budget travelers spend an average of $46 per day here. We're about to show you how with some typical travel budgets and prices for the top activities. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know for your trip. In addition to a travel budget, we'll also review accommodation, transportation, food, and popular activities. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details. 3 to 7 days is the perfect amount of time to explore Phuket and all that it has to offer. This resort island is filled with nightlife, resorts, beaches, scuba diving, snorkeling, food, and shopping. Couples will enjoy the resort island's romantic charm. You'll find beautiful beaches, plenty of activities, and delicious food. So, how much does it cost to visit the island of Phuket? Let's find out. On average, travelers spend about $111 a day per person in Phuket. Budget travelers spend $46 per day, and luxury travelers spend $285. These amounts are calculated from the spending habits of previous travelers. So, a one-week trip in Phuket averages $800 per person, and $1,600 for 2 weeks, not including flights. For couples, a one-week trip typically costs $1,600, and $3,100 for 2 weeks. The typical traveler in Phuket spends, per day, $11 on local transit, $23 on food and dining, $45 on sightseeing, $7 on alcohol, and $5 on tips. So, what should you do during your time in Phuket? Let's get to it. The average person spends about $45 a day on activities in Phuket. While plenty of activities are free, many also have admission prices. Here are some of the must-see attractions which we'll go over in detail. Patong Beach is known for its soft white sands, clear turquoise waters, and stunning sunset views. Located on the west coast, this is a tranquil and relaxing area great for families and couples. Patong Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Phuket, renowned for its golden sands, turquoise waters, and lively atmosphere. It offers a wide range of activities and amenities for visitors to enjoy, including water sports, beachside bars and restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Green Elephant Sanctuary Park costs 2,500 baht and offers a unique ethical elephant experience. They provide a safe and natural habitat for rescued elephants, allowing visitors to participate with feeding, bathing, and observing the elephants. A trip to James Bond Island costs around $75 for a boat tour to the island, which usually includes multiple stops around Phang Nga Bay. The island was featured in The Man with the Golden Gun, and showcases the breathtaking natural beauty of the Andaman Sea. The Big Buddha is free to visit and is an iconic landmark and religious site. Standing at 45 meters tall, the towering white marble statue is visible from miles away and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. Scuba diving in the area costs about $100. Phuket is known for its world-class scuba diving and vibrant marine life. By visiting the Free Wat Chalong, you'll see its stunning architecture and sacred relics. So, where should you stay in Phuket? Let's find out. Phuket has a huge number of hotels and resorts to choose from. The average hotel price is $39 a night, but you'll find a wide range of prices and resorts are usually more expensive. A few of the highest rated hotels include Phuket Kata Resort, Boathouse Phuket, and Kontari Bay Hotel Phuket SHA+. More details are down in the description. Hostels are a fun way for budget travelers to save money, and Phuket has a large number of hostels to choose from. The average hostel price is $13 a night for a dorm bed. A few of the highest rated hostels include Hanuman VIP Hostel, Popeyes Hostel, Coffee Shop, and Beer Bar, and W168 Hostel. More details are down in the description. What about food and dining out? Let's dig in. The average traveler spends $23 per day on food in Phuket. Because it's served as an international port, food around the island has many international influences. For the most authentic local food, head into Phuket town. The average visitor spends $11 per day on transportation in Phuket. The island is big and many sites are spread out. Tuk-tuks, buses, and motorbike taxis are all available on the island, or you can rent a car or motorbike. We've got a lot more information at budgetyourtrip.com/Thailand/Phuket. Budgetyourtrip.com has travel costs from real travelers for thousands of destinations around the world. Please like this video and subscribe for more.